Hey guys, Dan from DHB Wood and Laser Creations here. Not a wood video, or laser and video, whatever. Landscaping, DIY projects. If you're tired of getting quotes for thousands of dollars, try to do it yourself. It's really simple, you know, it's not that hard. The video I'm gonna show you is 100% completely DIY. The front yard, $210. Now, depending on where you live, it might cost a little bit different or whatnot, but $210. That's what I got wrapped up in it. I removed all the front mulch. It was old. I haven't removed it since we moved in here. I took that out back. 30 bags of mulch and 140 landscape bricks. Now they are on sale at your local store right now, especially right now. I don't know when the sales end. I'm not sponsored by any of them, but I will tell you I got the mulch from Walmart, $2 a bag, and I got the bricks from Lowe's. They're $1 a piece right now on sale. And Lowe's has mulch. I think it's 5 for 10. Pretty much everybody does right now. So anyway, I'm going to show you the video I'm doing, and then I'm going to do a DIY video on a backyard garden. Not like I always say, DIY, man. I don't know, a couple high school kids to help you, whatnot. I just recently got a truck. I used to haul everything around in the back of my wife's SUV or my Subaru WRX. It's nice now that I have a truck because I just loaded up 2,000 pounds of brick. So there might be a little additional cost if you can't do that on delivery or whatever. Yeah, now you can do it the professional way to where they trench it out and put the gravel base in there and then a sand in there to get it perfectly level. If that's what you're into, it's probably going to cost you a couple extra $400 or $500. But if you have a good solid foundation already, you can get away with it. I've done it all the time. So I'm going to show you this. Let me know what you guys think about it. Comment if you want or whatever. I'm by means no professional. This is just me doing what I do. Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comments. What's up, guys? Got a different video for you today. As you can tell, I'm outside. So I've been doing some things around the house. I'm going to show you a budget-friendly, hopefully budget-friendly garden if you have like a side yard that's just crappy or whatnot. That becomes a catch-all like mine did. So here's what I got. This little section back here along the side of the house is 16 foot wide, 22 foot long. So I'm gonna make 4 quadrants like this. 5 foot out, 9 foot long, 4 foot in the middle with an arch. 4 of them. We can put, you know, shade friendly, whatever over here, tomatoes over here, you know, just whatever. 4 quadrants back there, then along the new fence. I know it's noisy. 3 foot wide flower bed. Then we're going to paint the fence that, or we're going to stain it that color. So I got to get dirt, fill all the low spots, wherever that is, till up all this, get rid of the trash, apparently, obviously. I want to till all this up. And then all in the center here is all going to be a walkway, just grass. So, yeah. So, I said budget friendly right now at Lowe's. This is not sponsored by Lowe's. Bags of dirt are $2 a piece. It's cheap. Or you can have some delivered to you, or if you have the means to pick it up, a ton of dirt is about 50 bucks. So, at least for the garden area, I'm probably going to get dirt because it's made for gardens and flower beds. To fill in the low spots where the grass is going to be, I'm probably going to just get regular dirt and seed it and hope for the best. So yeah, so you got 50 bucks there. Stakes and strings are optional. String was like $3. Stakes I got for free. Can of spray paint if you want to spray paint the ground. That's going to turn into a little flower bed right there. So we got 50 bucks in dirt, $53 so far. Already had to spray paint for a decent size flower bed. So once I get all the stuff tilled up here, I'm probably going to put 5 bags of dirt each, which is $10, $10, $10. So there's $40, right? Or what? 93 bucks so far. And you go down to Lowe's. Again, not sponsored by Lowe's, but their mulch is on sale. What is it, 5 for 10? Or whatever. So we'll throw some mulch in there, probably 5 bags each of mulch. So yeah. So that's the plan. So realistically, it depends what kind of edging you want too. I mean, if you want to do the little landscape blocks, which by the way, again, it's not sponsored by Lowe's, but at Lowe's, they currently edging blocks for $1 a piece. Really nice. I'll attach a picture of them in here. I just got 140 of them for like, well, $140. They're $1 a piece. Originally, I think they're like $2, almost $3. So this is going to be a budget-friendly one that anybody can do. I'm thinking after the plants and whatever we do, it's going to be like under 250 bucks. Including the grass seed and whatever. Now this is a pretty decent sized area. Again, it's 22 foot long by 16 foot wide. You can shrink it down to whatever size of area that you have. But that's what I'm going to do. I'll keep you guys updated on the progress of it. I'll let you guys know. So yeah, like I said, this right here is all going to be grass. I got a 45-inch wide path right here. Big enough for my mower to get in right there. And then this is pretty big. And it's going to lead out into the yard. So it just all depends on what kind of stuff you guys want to plant. Whatever. And then I'm probably going to put like a little picket fence in front of it with a gate. So that's optional. But just to get the garden started, I'm looking at under 250 bucks. And there we go. So I'll let you guys know. I'll add everything up. And go from there. So far I got $3.50 wrapped up in it in string. That's optional. Or you can use spray paint. I already had that, so I'm not counting that. Alright. I'll keep you updated.